By the Constitution of the Republic of Rwanda, the RDF mandate is to safeguard national sovereignty and defend territorial integrity. To accomplish this noble mandate, the RDF has been involved in a variety of activities and import the vision from countrywide to African level. The success so far achieved by the RDF in this regard has mainly relied on maintaining a credible defense capability, promoting collective security arrangements, defense diplomacy, and above all, on the support of all Rwandans. Following the 1994 genocide, no one was wondering how Rwanda will be recovered. Today, it is therefore encouraging to see that Rwanda, with the immense efforts of the governments and the people of Rwanda, has managed to rise from the valley of the death and has embarked on a process of rebuilding a new nation based on new and worthwhile goals. Besides its responsibility in safeguarding national sovereignty and territorial integrity, the RDF participates in activities contributing to national development through annual development activities called Army Week. Army Week, as Rwanda Defence Force's annual initiative to support development programs, is one of the ways conceived by the RDF leadership to accelerate liberation through a series of practical and high-value socio-economic activities.
Iki cyumweru cyangwa se iki gihe uko birenze n'icyumweru kimwe cyatanzwe n'ingabo gifite byinshi bikubiyemo. Icyambere ni ubufatanye bw'ingabo n'abaturage, n'ubundi niko bisanzwe mu mateka yacu. Ubwo bufatanye ari mu kazi ko kwibohoza, ari no mu bindi bikorwa ndetse iby'amajyambere. Turifuza ko ubwo bufatanye bwagenda burushaho imbaraga.
From 2009 up to today, during Army Weeks, the major activities of this noble cause are focusing on infrastructure, health, and agriculture. In medical sector, several activities have been carried out hands in hands with people in 2009. As we know that the eyes are the mirror of the soul, 2009 Army Week was precisely a year of saving lives by treating 169 ophthalmology cases, 4,198 people have been treated dental problems, and 693 militaries gave lives by blood donation. In the fields of general and orthopedic surgery, 261 people were treated by Army doctors. They also provided other health facilities like mosquito nets to 1,700 civilians population, and 8,307 passed through VCT. In medical field, the Pioneer Week was a good initiative since it reached 153,328 poor who have not afforded medical attention all over the country. Launched in Gicumbi on 17th of June, a total of 500 ophthalmology cases to be treated was a target achieved in that year. As we are on the last mile of preventing malaria, 4,000 mosquito nets were donated to people who shifted from Gishwati forest. In addition, RDF contributed in rehabilitation of health posts in Gisagara district. The year of 2010 was an opportunity for RDF to exhibit the character of a true liberating force whose revolutionary principles and ideology have always been to serve the interests of the people.
Mfite icyizere kuko ashobora gukira ingabo zatugiriye neza.
The 2011 Army Week activities, which began on July 1st, that week was an opportunity for the Ministry of Defense to reach out to the people and make an impact on the population and fully liberate them from diseases. Among the health-related activities conducted during the Army Week 2011 were internal medicine, where 747 people had a package of HIV screening, UTI, blood pressure screening, diabetes mellitus, renal function tests, and other pathologies. In dental health, 1,225 Rwandans have been treated and educated. As the previous years, ophthalmology was not left behind. Figures show us that 1,194 patients treated and 69 had cataract operation. Like in the past, the RDF joined hands with all Rwandans in various activities aimed at fighting HIV/AIDS. This activity was characterized by 784 patients screened. The Army Week 2011 was a success, and people thank the Army, applaud, and encourage them to keep their spirits high.
I think love is much better than war, and I think that the purpose of any service from the government, whether it's army or police, is to serve and protect the people and to provide a service to the people. And I think it's wonderful that the Rwandan army is serving its people and providing service. I think this is a lesson I wish American military would take more to heart, and I think all over the world, if the armies were serving the people rather than